Hey there guys, how are you? Today we'll be learning about Python text-to-speech engine, which basically means that we will be writing stuff in Python, and Python is gonna print that out, or more precisely, Python's gonna say it out loud, like it's gonna say it in words, like it's gonna say it out. So it's like a text-to-speech engine. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code Editor, but you can feel free to use any code editor that you want. So I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to save it first. So I'm going to go there, save as. I'm going to name it, for example, text to speech. What's necessary that you give it the extension .py. I'm going to save it on my desktop for easy accessibility. Alright, it's saved. Now, the first and foremost important thing is we are going to need a library. It's called pytdsx3, which is going to do the job for us. So I'm going to open terminal, new terminal. Okay, and then I'm going to write pip3 install, because I'm using Python 3, and pyttsx3. That's the library we're going to need. So I'm going to press an enter, then I'll install all the files. In my case, I already have things installed. So it's just saying that requirement already satisfied, but it could be the case that you may not have it installed. So so it's like a mandatory step. Now, coming back to the file that we were working on, we can start off with importing the same library that we just installed. Alright, then we gotta create an object of this library and initialize the constructor. It automatically gets initialized when you create an object, but yeah. So alright, so engine, for example, engine is the object. We can literally write anything in place of engine. I can like A, B, C, D. I can even write my name because it's an object. Okay, you can name it anything. Then pyttsx3 and .init. Now, init is a constructor method in Python. We're gonna focus on that in some other video because this is primarily focused on text-to-speech. Right? Then we're going to use the object to give the content to Python to speak. So I'm going to use engine.say, which is the function. And inside it, I'm going to write stuff like, hey there, this is a text-to-speech engine. Alright, so we're not done yet. Once we do that, we also got to run a function that's going to do the job for us. So I'm going to use the object again, .run. And wait, there we have it. So this is all that we need to do. Now there you have your job done. All right, let me show you how that works. I'm gonna increase the volume so you can hear it.
Hey there, this is a text-to-speech engine.
Okay, that's cool. That's kind of giving me Stephen Hawking's kind of feel. Not gonna lie. All right, so I can do something like the universe was created with not created, the universe started with Big Bang. It's gonna feel like Stephen Hawking is saying it.
The universe started with Big Bang.
Gonna start that again.
The universe started with Big Bang.
Alright, that's cool. Okay, so furthermore, what we can do is we can make the computer repeat some stuff using the loop. So what I'm gonna do is for I in range, so let's say I want to repeat the stuff like 5 times. So for I in range 5, then I can copy this stuff from here, can put it, take it back, and I put that right there. Gonna run this.
The universe started with Big Bang.
It's gonna repeat the thing as many times as we have mentioned over here,
Big Bang.
as you can hear.
The universe started with Big Bang. The universe started with Big Bang.
Okay, alright.
The universe started with Big Bang.
Okay, it's going to complete itself. So that's there, guys. You can make the computer say anything you want, and you can play with your friends, you can prank your friends, you can use this for academic purposes as well. So I hope I've helped you even a bit, if not to a great extent, in making Python speak from text to speech. And yeah, this is Ashutosh, and I'll be signing off for today. Hope to see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.